Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing something super quick and helpful, how to change your iPhone's name. Ever wondered how to give your iPhone a more personal touch or maybe just stop it from being called iPhone like every other iPhone out there? Well, you're in the right place. In this short video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change your iPhone's name. It's useful for identifying your device on your Wi-Fi network, in your AirDrop settings, or even when connecting to Bluetooth devices. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. And if you find this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more quick and easy tech tips and tricks. We're always adding new content to help you get the most out of your devices. Okay, let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to your Settings app. It's that little gray gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the option that says General. Tap on that. Now, look for the option called About at the very top of the general settings. Tap on About. Here you'll see all sorts of information about your iPhone, including the current name. Tap on the name field. It will show whatever your iPhone is currently called, likely just iPhone or your name's iPhone. Now, the keyboard will pop up. Simply delete the current name and type in whatever you want to call your iPhone. Maybe something fun, something descriptive, or just your name. Get creative. Once you're happy with your new name, just tap the Done button on the keyboard, or simply tap anywhere outside the text field. And that's it. Your iPhone now has a brand new name. To confirm the change, you can go back to the main settings page or even restart your phone, but it should be updated immediately. You'll also see the new name in your iCloud settings and whenever you're trying to connect to a Bluetooth device. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to change your iPhone's name. I hope you found that helpful. Don't forget to like this video if you did, and subscribe to Rome Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below what you've named your iPhone. We're curious. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy roaming!